memes. They're funny unless you're part of one. Yo, check it out. It's your host, Kenyon Long, and this is Short Form Tech. On this channel, I teach you tips and tricks to increase your social media footprint. All right, with short form video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Today we're getting into it. Is another green screen for TikTok. And this is the second most popular green screen on TikTok today. And it's this one. Yes, I know you've seen it already. People who have the screenshots of Twitter or meme or Instagram screenshots, and they put it right beside them and they dancing. You know, they doing the Junebug challenge around it. You know, they pointing at it, or they just sitting here looking like, yeah, you see that? So simple and easy. Open up TikTok right now. Then you're gonna scroll over to the green screen section. If you don't have it saved as your favorites, choose this particular green screen effect. Then, all right, all you have to do is, hopefully you've already taken a screenshot of your image you wanna use. Go to your camera roll, upload it right there, and you can see you can move it up and down, change the size. So wherever you want to put it, you want to put it to the left, you want to put it to the right, you want to put it to the windows, to the wall. So however you want to do it, make it bigger or small, and of course, either you can stare, or you can sit here and just do your little dance, do your little Junebug dance around it, and hopefully you're picking a funny pic that you want to use right there for this green screen. So, but look, don't go nowhere right now because I got another tip for you to do another green screen on TikTok. So go ahead and check this out right now.